There's a simple but brutal math to modern warfare, and right now the numbers just don't add up. Imagine this. An enemy buys a cheap drone online for just $20,000. They fly it towards your city. To stop that cheap drone, you have to fire a high-tech missile that costs $2 million. You spend $2 million to stop 20,000. If they send a swarm of drones, you go bankrupt. This is how modern armies lose. But the rules are finally changing. Forget bullets. Forget gunpowder. Britain and Israel are testing weapons that make science fiction look like reality. Enter DragonFire and the Iron Beam. They don't shoot metal. They shoot pure light. And here's the shocker. While a missile costs millions, a single shot from the DragonFire laser costs barely 10 pounds. That is $13. Think about that. Destroying a military threat is now cheaper than buying a large pizza. This isn't just an upgrade. This is an economic revolution. So, how does it actually work? It uses a beam director to focus intense light. Like a superpowered magnifying glass, it travels at the speed of light. There is no sound, no warning, and no escape time. When it hits a target, like a drone or a missile, it doesn't push it. It heats it up instantly. It cuts through steel like butter and fries the electronics inside. From a kilometer away, it can hit a target as small as a coin. But is it perfect? Not exactly. Lasers have one enemy, the weather. Heavy rain, thick fog, or smoke can block the beam. So we will still need missiles for stormy days. However, the laser has one advantage that no missile can ever beat. The infinite magazine. Ships run out of missiles. Tanks run out of shells. But a laser, as long as you have electricity, it never runs empty. It can keep firing forever. An enemy can send 1,000 drones, and the laser will just burn them down, one by one. We are witnessing the end of an era. The bullet is becoming obsolete. The missile is becoming a relic. The future of warfare is light. Is this the beginning of a safer world, or just a cheaper way to destroy each other? Subscribe to WarVerse to understand the future before it hits you.